Assalamu alaikum. Which glasses? Give me some glasses, please, Jane. Which glasses? These glasses? No, not those. The one on the shelf. This? Yes, please. Here you are. Thanks.
Give me some glasses, please, Jane. Which glasses? These glasses? No, not those. The ones on the shelf. These? Yes, please. Here you are. Thanks.
What glasses? Give me some glasses, please, Jen. What glasses? This glasses? No, not those. The ones on the shelf. This? Yes, please. Here you are. Thanks.
Give me some glasses, please, Jane. Which glasses? These glasses? No, not those. The ones on the shelf. These? Yes, please. Here you are. Thanks.
Lesson 23. Which glasses? Give me some glasses, please, Jane. Which glasses? These glasses? No, not those. The ones on the shelf. These? Yes, please. Here you are. Thanks.
Glass deb nimqima ani sal ko'tarangi so'zovroq olsangiz shunday yaxshi chiqadi. Glasses. Siz Uyg'ur tilidagi sizdiki siz, ha? Andan keyin once. Andan keyin these, ha? These. Bular degani these. Ha? These deyim.
These.
Which, ha? Which emas, which. Andan keyin these. Bular degan chaqda in so'zimiz aqis kizi, odat kizi. These, ha? These emas, these.
Which glasses? Give me some glasses, please, Jane. Which glasses? These glasses? No, not those. The ones on the shelf. These? Yes, please. Here you are. Thanks.
Glasses.
These. These.
Glasses na chaqda an sal ko'tarangi, andan keyin sal so'zlab olsanglar naturallik chiqdi. Glasses. An sal ko'tarangi so'zlab olamiz dedik-ku, glasses. Qisqa siga sni qo'shgan keyin siz Uyg'ur tilidagi siz bilan o'xshaydi, ha? Siz.
Glasses.
Give me some glasses, please, Jane. Which glasses? These glasses? No, not those. The ones on the shelf. These? Yes, please. Here you are. Thanks.
Give me that box on the dressing table, please.
Give me box on the dressing table, please.
Give me a box on the dressing table,
The books.
please.
Give me the books on the dressing table.
Give me box on the dressing table, please.
On the dressing table.
Give me the box on the dressing table, please.
Give me a box on the dressing table, please.
Give me books on the dressing table. What is this on the menu?
What on the floor?
What is on the floor? What's on the floor?
What is on the floor?
What's on the floor, huh? What's on the floor?
What is on the floor?
What's on the floor? Your son's handbag is on the table.
Your son's handbag on the table.
Your son's bag is on the table.
Your son's handbag and the table.
Your son's handbag is on the table.
Your son's bag is on the table.
Your son's bag, yani sizin oğlunuzun somkisi bolsa is üstelin üstüde gelmekte on the table.
Your son's bag is on the table.
Your son's bag is on the table.
Your son's handbag on the table. Your son's bag is on the table.
Give me apple on the plate.
Give me apple on the plate.
Apple.
Give me the apple on the plate.
Give me apple on the table or on the plate.
Give me the apple on the plate.
Give me the apple and the plate.
Qaranglar, nima uchun the apple qilib qoldi? The degani nima? Aniq ravish degandim, shunaqo. Aniq qo'ygancha degandim. Qaranglar, ikkimiz o'tirdik, shunaqo. O'yining ichida bu yerda bir ustal bor, ustalning ustida bir taxsi bor, taxsining ustida nima bor? Bir tal olma bor. Olmani menga ilib o'tira deyman. Olmani ishkilimizga ya'ni tonishlik bo'lgan olma avu. Biz ko'rib tura olamiz. Yoki bo'lmasa men yana bir uyda bo'lsam, taxsini ustiga gitsam, qaysi taxsa, qaysi olmaligini qarshi taraf biladi. Yoki biladi deb turib deymiz. Bo'lmasa bilmaydigan odamga yoki taxsin ko'mgan odamga yoki olmani bilmaydigan odam bunda degila olmaydi shunaqa. Shunga zini qo'shib olishga sabab shu. Boshqa şey emas. Agar men bir tal olma bering desa, vaqtida give me an apple deymiz. Endi bu cümlenin uğramından qarsanlar, öydişki adam oturdu, taksinin üstü bir talımda, yani bir soğurluk qılıp oturulba, taksinin üstü kalmanın birine dağıtıdı. Şu avu degen mavu alma işkil tarafı tonuşluk boğan nasi boğaçqa, şu an zihni aldı qoşu vasanlı buludu, ha?
Give me apple on the plate.
Give me the apple and the plate.
Give me the plate, give me the apple on the plate. Zihni qo'shib olsa, chunki gapning o'ramidan qaragan chaqda qanakan bu ishkadan qaysi olim to'g'riliq gap qilayotgani aniqga. Va gapning o'rami qarsanglar bilasizlar. Shuningcha give me the apple on the plate, ha?
Give me the apple on the plate.
Who is in the room?
How is his room?
Who is in the room?
Who is in the room?
Who's in the room, ha? Who's in the room? Uyning ichidagi kim o?
Give me the water in your bag.
Who is in room.
Give me water in the bag.
In the your bag desek olmaydı. Çünkü your emniyet aniqlawatıdı. Qaysi somka sizning somkangiz. Şu zihni ishlatishning hojati yo'q. Zihni ishlatishning hojati yo'q. Ya'ni your aniqlab bera oladi qaysi somkaligini. Shunga bu somka demsak bo'ladi.
Give me water in your bag.
Give me the water in your bag.
Give me the water in your bag.
Give me the water your in bag.
Give me the water in your bag.
Give me the water in your bag. Give me the water. Yani iliq suvni bering somkangizning ichidagi. Nemish somkangizning ichidagi deganga zan ishlatmaymiz degan chaqda sizning somkangiz degan narsa qaysi somkaligini aniq ifodalab bera oladi. Shunga iliq somkaning ichidagi, av somkaning ichidagi deb yani zihni ilishning hojati yo'q. Lekin waterga olamiz. Iliqi suvni, ya'ni somkangizning ichidagi degan gap.
Give me the water in your bag.
Give me the water in your bag.
Give me the water in your bag.
Give me some pens. Which ones? The red ones.
Give me 2 pencil. Watch 2. That red 2.
Give me 2 pencils, please. Which ones? That red, please. Pencil, please. That red pencil, please.
Give me 2 pencils, please. Which one? The red one.
Give me 2 pens. Which ones? The red ones.
Mana pencils deb o'qiymiz, pencils. Ishqital qarindosh bo'lgan chaqda 2 pencils. Ikki qalam bo'lgan chaqda 2 pens, 2 pens.
Give me 2 pencils, please. Which ones? That red ones, please.
Pencils.
Give me 2 pencils, please. Which one? The red ones.
Give me 2 pens, please. Which one? That red. Reds.
Give me 2 pens, please. Which ones? The red ones.
Give me 2 pens, please. Which ones? The red ones.
Give me 2 pens, please. Give me 2 pens, please. Ishqital qalam bering. Shunaqa qaysilarini? Which ones? Chunki ko'plik bo'lg'achqa, agar qaysini demoqchi bo'lsam deydi, which one deydi. Qaysilarini degan gapni aytamiz, which ones, which ones. Andan keyin qizillarini, the red ones, the red ones.
Give me 2 pens, please. Which ones? The red ones.
Those box on the table are my box.
Those books table This my books. Those books on the table. My books.
If book is on the table, my books.
Those books on the table are my books. Those books on the table are mine.
Those books on the table are my books. Those books on the table are mine.
Those books on the table are my books. Lekin bizde meninki degan o'rgandik emasmi? Shunga asli mine deb yozilgan bo'ladi. Those books are on the table are mine deb yozilgan bo'ldi. Bu tustalning usti kitoblar bo'lsa meninki. Bizda ham meninki degan gapni o'rgandik. Shunglashqa yanla shu ibtidoiy usulda those books on the table are my books deb desan bo'ldi.
Those books on the table are my books. Those books on the table are mine. Mine.
Those books on the table are my books. Those books on the table are nice.
Those books on the table are my books. Those books on the table are mine.
Those deb asanlım buldu yoki the deb asanlım buldu. The books on the table desanlım buldu. Those books on the table desanlım buldu. Agar ilqi ustal sal jiroqda bo'lsa, those desanlimi bo'laverdi. Lekin qarashtirib bilgan sharoit qaysi kitoblarni the deb asanlım bo'laverdi. Sizlarga tarjima qilgandan men ishda yezibdim. Xato emas. The books on the table are my books desanlar eng to'g'risi shu.